Hey guys, what is up? So this video will be a review. This is a review on Starr Dawkins Sweet Cookie Wash products. Alright, so if you are not following Starr on social media, you can follow her at sweetcookiewash or at Starr Dawkins. So I've been religiously buying Starr's products for I think over 2 years now, or a year. I don't even know. Like, it just feels long, right? Just to show you how long I've had it, this is how it looked when I started buying it, right? And now it starts to look like this. So she's upgrading, which is so nice. And then this is her V-Steam packets. This is just one of. I've bought the detox one. This, I share them with my friends as well because I just feel like, I want my friends to have a good smelling hoo-ha. Like, who doesn't, right? You want your friends to know about these things when you discover something that's really nice and really good. You want your friends to know, right? Especially your girlfriends, all right? And then final one is this. Are y'all seeing it? The Sweet Cookie Restoration. Alright, so I'm going to start off by saying that cookie wash is, to me, life. When I first used it, I was, and trust me, a little goes a long way. 1 or 2 pumps, it gives you that good, soapy, nice feeling. You know what I mean? And she did a demonstration. Basically, you don't use a rag when you're using the Sweet Cookie Wash. You just use your hands, give 2 pump, rub it in the right areas, not inside, but the right areas. And basically, once you're done, it feels like so, not that, that feeling of a soap, like soapy. It doesn't feel like that. It feels how a vagina should feel, like soft and pink. You know what I mean? And yeah, basically soft and pink, and I love that. And the product itself doesn't have a smell. It does not have a smell. This is just like bland. It doesn't have a smell. What I would want from Starr though is like a travel size, right? Because I'm a flight attendant and I travel all over, and even though I can carry this big thing here, but I'd rather have one at home, one mini size in my suitcase, and so on and so forth. So that's my only downfall with this product. It's a really good product, and I would recommend it to all you girls out there, because using Bath and Body Works, using Dove, using all these other products is not the business. You know what I mean? Like, when you know better, you do better. So don't be knowing that you shouldn't use soap on your pum pum and you are still using it. All right, so get you a sweet cookie wash, as she would say. Get you a sweet cookie wash, and get your pH balance together. You know what I mean? I remember when I was young and I didn't know about these things, and then I educated myself, and I'm so glad Starr is doing this, because I feel like it's a taboo thing and a lot of women don't talk about it, but it's existent, and I wish more people would talk about it. But that's why I'm doing this video. All right, so I'm done talking about that sweet cookie wash. Perfect. A little goes a long way. Has no smell. It gives you that good soft pink feeling, without the guilt of, oh my god, I just rub a sweet smelling thing in my hoo-ha. You know what I mean? And then I'm gonna do the next one is the sweet, oh, look at my hands. Anyway, the sweet cookie wash, the cookie restoration for BV and yeast relief. I've tried, you know what, I'm a stickler for anything vagina, so I bought those boric acid suppositories. So boric acid is good for the hoo-ha, right? And so I bought them because I'm open to trying always. All right, so I bought them and inserted there. Trust me, your pum pum gonna smell like water with these, and I love that shit. I love it. Vagina must smell like water. So use these. I would recommend these highly, because you just push one up in there before your period or after your period, and y'all know we are more prone to that shit, BV and yeast infection, when you before or after your period. So I would recommend before and after just inserting one up in there. And when I just got them, the funny thing is I didn't know what to do. I was just like, should I take it out of the capsule, but the capsule itself melts, so it makes it, you just push it up on in there, and then in the morning, you know, I guess they say wear a panty liner. In the morning you wake up and, you know, it's dissolved. All right, so I give this a 9 out of 10. The cookie wash a 10 out of 10. All right, I'm gonna move on to the last thing right now. The V-Pack. Rejuvenate, tighten, tone, enhance, soothe, and calm. Perfect. Perfect. V-Steam, ever since I discovered V-Steam, my life has been made. Like, I love V-Steaming because it just, I feel like it helps with the cramps for sure. Like, sometimes my period is coming, I don't even know unless my boobs start hurting or something, because there's no crampy feeling. And the sweet cookie with the V-Steam, I feel like it gets you so wet. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. Like, it's not even a mind thing. It's just you just get wet in a good way. You know what I mean? In a very amazing way. You're just like, oh my god, I didn't know I could get this, you know, wet. All right, and as far as, I've used the detox one, I've never used this one, but I'm sure it will do the same. The detox one does just the same for me. It's supposed to, like, you know, do its thing. But it basically, after my period regime, I insert that boric acid suppository, then I do a V-Steam, and I continue to use my sweet cookie wash, and it's been working perfectly for me. And I recommend you guys to check out Starr Dawkins on Instagram, or check out @sweetcookiewash on Instagram. And thank you guys for watching so much. Leave your comments below, like this video, share this video, thumbs up for ladies that need to know how to take care of your vagina. Subscribe. All right, have a good one. Thank you. Bye.